the thinkers, the visionaries, the doers. And because we stand on the shoulders of giants to go farther than humanity has ever been, we will add our names to the rolls of the greatest adventurers in history. Every day, every mission, we advance this calling. We are NASA. And after 60 years, we're just getting started.
Daddy, now can I take a picture of that river? Daddy, can I snap a photo?
Kennedy Space Center is surrounded by the Merritt Island National Wildlife Refuge. These 140,000 acres of protected coastal wetlands are home to more than 1,500 species of wildlife and plants. Other than the few launch pads and facilities you see spotted across the horizon, this area remains a refuge for that diverse wildlife. So keep an eye out for egrets and tortoises and maybe even an alligator on your tour today. Even if you don't spot them, know that they are all around us.